and go unboxing.
Unboxing.
Awithz from Temu.
Oh, there's more.
Open them all.
That's it. It's stuck.
This is the bandage. Yeah, bandage. Oh, nice. 0.15. Next, the stickers.
Yeah, that's the stickers.
And the mine thing.
Oh, it's locked.
Nice. We would start.
I think yes.
Check the power. From where?
I don't know. Power. We have a button here. Up. Here is the button, but there is no charge. Oh, it started.
Oh yeah. Flip it up. More. So that's full power.
Yes.
Here, mono out. Is there a spare of
Maybe
this?
spare parts. Let's see
Wait.
what most we have here.
So, and how to shut it down? Shut it down, man.
Press and hold. Press and hold.
Oh yeah.
Ready. It's off.
Oh, that's nice.
Have charger.
Cable.
USB-C.
Yeah. Oh, some bones. Okay, that's good.
And we have
The
packs for
holders.
the batteries.
Yeah, the
Yes.
holders are good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
But there is no spare of this.
Yeah, no spare. Come on.
Nice. Let's put them all over here. These and these are from other order. So
Different order.
yeah, different order.
Okay.
And these two. So the Awithz set is this one.
Oh, sandpaper.
Yeah.
P800.
Yep. And instructions.
Manual.
Yeah.